Okay. And month? What's your idea?
18 children have joined, including both of us.
Okay. So that makes 16 and then maybe 17. Anybody who has yet to register?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just hold on. Uh, we'll do one registration online, but in the second part. Okay. So those who have already joined can leave the meeting at that time, and we'll see what's the procedure for registration. Fine. Say yes, sir. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Keep responding. Huh?
So,
Yes.
in the starting, when I registered for the Space app, I was able to register with my email. But after that, when I'm logging, I'm getting error. The provided credentials are invalid.
So remember, your username is not your email ID.
So
Okay.
let me show you what happens. Just
Um,
1 second.
You
I
share
will
it
show
on.
what happens. Yes, sir.
Right.
I'm sharing the
Ah.
screen. I have recently installed Windows 8 because I am facing some problem on Windows 10. Space app challenge. I don't know if it will work here. In that I was having some problem. Just log in. Maybe I was facing the username issue.
Yeah, username must be when you are registering. No, it asks for your username and password.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. But I don't remember what username I have used.
Then you are in a problem.
Let's see. I have used a Chrome suggested password for this. Uh, Whenever I'm logging in, it shows that my login credentials are invalid.
Just try to. Let's see what message come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see in your
Email. I will just
email
check.
they have given your username. Check it out.
Yes, sir. Let me check.
Now,
I
those who
cannot
are going to
register.
register, no, this is one warning for all of you that when you are registering, you have to make sure that you remember your username. Okay.
Okay, I will just log in from here. So it will give me my username.
Not able to hear. Excuse me? Is the
Yeah.
voice is not clear or I'm unable to hear?
No, it is fine from my end.
Yes,
I could
fine
listen
from
in.
my also.
Audible. It's clear, madam.
Okay.
Once you check, one of the email would be that your email is verified and their
Yes, so
username would
this
be
is
mentioned.
only. I use only one email for all my registration. It was 1 day ago. It does not provide me any. It does not
Username.
provide me anything else. It does not provide my username. Let me try with again. I will try to log in. Uh, I don't remember the username.
You already have an account. So click on already have an account. So it asks for straight, it goes there.
Let me see if I have saved it somewhere. I always save my passwords and username. Space it has not save.
No. The last one is meet space.
Yes, sir. It is, sir. It is Vanch Malani only. It's Space App Challenge also.
Small. It is all in small, no?
Yes, sir. And I
Yes.
never use any other username. And I remember that I have used Chrome suggested password.
And the password is fine then.
Yes, sir.
You click on forgot your password.
There is an option forgot, huh? This will help. They'll send you the mail.
Huh.
Select the Now check the mailbox.
Yes, Vanch underscore Malani.
Password once underscore Malani. See.
I'll just reset my password also because I will remember
Yes.
it right now. Over here, I'll just write underscore save. Now let me log in. Yes. Now
Yes.
it is
Done. Okay.
It was with the username Vanch underscore Malani.
One version is Malani. So they might have changed your username.
Yes.
The space might not be permitted.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, those who are joining us for the first time, for them it is new experience. And those who joined yesterday, Ronald sir has given some guidance. Did you explore all the challenges? No. Very busy with the examination, right? So what I'll be doing now is make you go across all these challenges and you make up your mind that what is suitable to you. Okay. So let me open my okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So once you go look at this heading, we have sent you PDF file. No? When you click on the challenges, this web page would open. So these are the categories: observe, inform, sustain, create. And three more: confront, connect. And third is invent your challenge. Right? Now many of the challenges are for college students and research students, but there are few which I'll highlight. Okay. One is One Health approach. Okay. This page would open. And look at this heading, it will give you an idea what it is all about. It is about how will you take the data of air pollution to save the planet. Okay. It is written in bold line. Look at this. Fine. Okay. The scanning for life form, not your. This is also not for you. What are you looking at? This is also not for you. You have to develop an application. This again beyond your abilities. At this age is not possible. Second category is inform. Now somebody was asking mission to planet Earth yesterday. I think Arya it was.
No, sir.
Okay. Somebody asked about that. A digital history. Yeah. So this is
Sir, I was asking.
yeah. So this is what you could do. You can make some animation or video or documentary or some interactive application by which you can present to the user about all this earth science. Okay. You can challenge is to tell stories using interactive digital tools. So what NASA has done over these years, what has been space research till now, what are the various phases? Okay. So you have to make some user-friendly interface by which you can explain this earth science in an innovative way, in an engaging way, right? It is a virtual reality, virtual tours like that. Yes,
So it means we just have to tell history about NASA to everyone.
right. Stories of NASA science. So then you have to visit NASA site and you'll find so many videos and images. You can collaborate in your work and make something good out of it. Am I clear?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Shall I make it still louder? Okay. Am I audible now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was an info. Yes.
आई एम ट्राइंग टू लॉग इन बट उसमें ऐसा दिखा रहा है कि मेरा अकाउंट नहीं है.
So we'll
Okay.
discuss that part in the second half. Okay. So
ओके.
we'll sort it out. Do not worry. Okay. This is one more thing which you could give it a try. Carbon footprint. Second is about how you detect the hazards. And there are various natural calamities are there. And this is about it. So again, it makes use of satellite data, so it will be difficult for you. We are not in a position to use satellite data at this age, right? Now see, this is third one. It is written as a youth challenge. There are two such challenges having this logo over it. It is youth challenge. Sustain. Here you can give your contribution, and this is within your reach. Fine. Now see, challenge is to communicate the importance of sustaining the home planet. So what you could do by which people, community become aware about why our planet should be conserved. Right? What measures should be taken? So this is within your reach. This is what you could do. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then fourth is create. And in create, this one is having again this youth challenge icon here. Create a mascot. right? And it's very interesting topic. This description. Your challenge is to create a mascot that can help making make learning about Earth and space science more fun and welcoming. So there's a one shot. This is you can try. You can make something like that using Arduino. That young audience will ask question, and then you are having kind of a robot which is answering, which is showing
Sir,
the
I am
animation.
Sir, I am thinking of doing that only. I am thinking of creating an artificial intelligence which can only help younger audience learn about Earth and space science.
Right. So you can say maybe you can make one software kind of thing. Student will ask question, and there is an animated robot in front of it, which is having some facial gestures, and it will start one corresponding answer is displayed on the screen, and it is read also, right?
Yes, sir. But the problem with that would be when I do we have to present it live?
No. You can give your idea that this is what you have thought of, and if you can
I
make
want-
it, if you
Yes,
can
I'm
make it,
making
then you can prepare a video of it, and then put that video in the submission, right?
Okay, sir, I will.
So this is, it can be anything. This is the imagination is not having any limit. What you want to make, what you want to create, maybe it could be somebody, maybe in physical form, somebody could be virtual on the screen, which is interactive and giving idea, answers or explanation. So maybe you can create a video only, right, which makes people aware about Earth and space science. And you can explain that space science can be very interesting. It could be fun. There are so many fascinating aspects. It is not a scary thing, right? And this is again you can give your imagination a boost. If you are out in space, you are on some unknown planet, right? What are the tools you will use? One word is use planetary surface, right? How will you explore the surface of that planet, and how will you analyze it, right? You have to make interactive 3D models of equipment, so not in physical form. Okay, so this will require your computer programming skill, right? If you have got somebody who is good in AutoCAD, they can help you. Am I clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is again, our students are too good at this. Even Hinal madam can be part of your team, right? Challenge is to create an artistic work. See,
This one they made like this, yes. Visit to the Mars.
huh.
Uh-huh.
It can
It
be
will be-
drawing.
It can be a calculations. They have learned the motions, make utilize it. Now they are on.
So see, it can be anything. Look at the list. Drawing, painting, sculpture, computer generated animations, music, film, video, word, dance and textile.
Mm.
Right? Okay.
So we can also make any animated video.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, yes.
If you want to explain this in dance form with your friends, that how mankind reached to Mars, what were our endeavors, success and failures, right? So it's possible. Give it a thought. Okay. Let's connect this beyond our abilities. Okay, this was this. right? Confront. This is also good. This one. You know, there is lots of inequality in the society. Like in Vidyanagar and Anand, VNC Patel English school students are having net connectivity and they are attending one webinar in the evening. But what about those students who are studying in the remote villages? So nowadays there is lots of inequality, that those who are financially well off, those who are residing in cities, they are having connectivity and they are studying. Village students, they are not studying. So what you could do to bring equality? Your challenge is to create a tool, app, resource that can help close a gap that causes people to experience inequality. This combination of humility and technology should eliminate or lessen a systematic issue. And together we can grow. So what will you do to the mankind? So equality is established, right? This is again within your abilities. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is again spot that far, but again you have to make use of data from the satellites. Okay. Flood ideas. Again, this is Earth observation community. So this is again not within our reach. Flood of ideas. Okay.
So,
Yes.
6 months or 7 months ago, I used to watch a series on YouTube, The Age of AI, in which
Yes.
they showed us different inventions by different people all over the world, which can help people in the field they work. They can help them enhance themselves with education and technology. So one episode I was watching was for firemen. They invented such glasses which can detect what is the intensity of the fire, how dangerous it is to go inside, and how many people are inside. We can scan through the glasses.
Okay. So this you can add it to that. But here you have to read that challenge carefully. If they are expecting that you use uh, space data or the satellite data only, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you have to make use of that data, then again you are helpless. But otherwise you can think about taking up that challenge. Okay.
This invent your own challenge is not under the judging criteria.
Right.
If you are doing this, no, taking part in this, then they will not judge you. This is something which you are focusing on, and you have your view to say. It is who is doing the anything here.
Vanshari, ma'am, it's not clear. Means she is not clearly audible. Once I repeat, the topic which you take, which is your thoughts, and you put it in like personally, which is not even recognized. It will be recognized, of course, but it will be not judged. Okay. I hope you are understanding.
You will
Am
not
I
be getting
audible?
away. Yeah, it is clear.
One, am I audible? One.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you understanding?
But ma'am, in create a mascot, I want to create a mascot.
Yeah, it will be judged.
It will be judged. But something which personally you develop, which it's very creative, of course, but then it has no criteria to judge. That's what sir means to tell you.
Right.
So it
See,
will be good that you work in groups.
Look at this
and have,
highlighted part.
yes.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So this is it for today, right? about these challenges and introduction to the challenges. I think nothing is left out. If anything is left out, then Jyoti madam and Nikhil madam are there. So, do you want to say add anything into this so far, madam?
No, I
Okay.
think we've covered everything.
Hmm.
The only thing is now you need to start working on finding your mates or group mates and start forming a group. Select a topic which you can work on it and start putting it together, your thoughts and everything, and then come up with new ideas, something creative. Yes, Arya, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Okay.
true. One
Ma'am,
more thing.
yeah.
Okay, now
Yes.
those. Yeah, Jyoti madam, you want to say something?
Just I want to add one thing that
Yeah.
after making a group or all that, you should have the teammate in such a somebody is good in coding, somebody is good in crafting,
Okay, yeah.
designing. It should be group. It should not be not of
Monotone.
the liking. Liking should be this. We want to do this, but have a group mate, one who is good in craft, 3D art making, right?
Correct.
Somebody is good in speaking, somebody is good in doing a coding, right? So variety should be there. Include your parents. So if
Correct.
we
Variety of challenges. Your friends are having variety of challenges. So
let
variety
me
of-
finish.
Yeah.
But let me finish and take help of your parent, because every now and then why are not at the same moment present with you if we are not present, right? So you can interaction with your parent also, they'll also guide you well because they are already observing you are doing, right? And what you want to do, first thing should be the output, what you want to do, then start collecting for the input and process. It's just a reverse. In computer we have input, process and output. Here what is your goal output, then for that output what are the datas we need, input, and then process of it, are we getting that?
Jyoti madam, so I'm sorry to interrupt, but if meeting breaks, no, we'll rejoin with the same code, okay? If meeting breaks suddenly, abruptly, we'll join with the same code. Newcomers, those who joined today, the code which is signed to you, you will use it once more to join back. Okay? Madam, you can continue now.
Sir,
Yes?
so can we take 2 challenges?
No. Only one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, those who have already got this idea, those who are present yesterday and registered themselves, may leave. If you want to stay back, fine. And we'll ask one of you, those who have not registered, to get registered now. So we'll instruct and you keep on doing, so rest of you will get an idea how to go for registration. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Now, Dhriti, your problem was that, so let's take up that first. It shows some invalid credentials.
Sir, 1 minute. सर उसमें ऐसा दिखा रहा था कि मेरा अकाउंट नहीं है, फिर मैं आ गया उसका
so-
ईमेल आ गया एक.
Chalo, congratulations. So you are done, right? Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
should we already participate in the challenge we want to?
Pardon?
Sir, should we like select the challenge we want to and register ourselves for that challenge?
No, at the time of registration, they will not ask for any challenge.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, those who have not registered and they are present now, is there anybody on a laptop?
I am on a laptop.
But you are already registered, right?
Yes.
So we want those who have not registered.
Me.
Okay, Vraj. So you share your screen with us.
For what?
You want to get yourself registered, no?
2 minutes are left. So what we can do, we can ask Raj
Uh,
to share the screen,
afterwards,
but
right? Right.
after the break, like
In the meanwhile, you
Vansh, we
keep
will.
that NASA page open, right? Yeah, that it went. Yeah, that one.
Yes, this one. Registration link.
Right. Okay. Now open that and click on the hyperlink. Yeah, that 86 लिखा था ऊपर है. It is written 86_PDF. It must be in recent one, last one. Yeah, this one. 86_. Yeah, that one. In that you open anyone.
Good.
Yeah.
Anyone, sir?
Anyone. You will be taken to the registration page. So in that sign up, right corner. Right. Remember username, username, this is very critical now.
Which username?
You have to give the desired username, whichever you want to use, and don't give any space in between, and make it little unique, so there shouldn't be any issue later on.
Like you can remember your name followed by your birth date, like 9th
Right.
September 09, like that, which easily click to you. Good.
Make it little longer, Raj 21. Okay, now remember this, if you want to take a photograph using your mobile. Type in your email now, afterwards.